Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video guys, I'm going to guide how to fix automatic repair your PC did not start correctly on Windows 10 or 11. If you are facing this issue, I will show you quickly how you can fix this issue. So first of all, in this window, just click on advanced options here and then click on troubleshoot. Then again click on advanced options and now click on startup setting. Restart your system into the safe mode. Click on restart. So as you can see here, safe mode is not working and I'm getting the black window on my system. If you are able to access the safe mode on your system, that means that some services or the latest update or the install program is conflicting with the Windows services. That is the reason it is not working. Enter your username and password and simply restart your Windows from there. And if you have recently installed any updates or the install program, so you can uninstall that and after that just restart your Windows normally. If you haven't reinstalled any update or any program, still you can restart it and that is going to fix your issue. But if in my case as well it is not working, so let's go to the next step now. So next step is we are going to try the system restore point on our system. So if safe mode didn't work for you, then we can go to the advanced options again. Then click on troubleshoot, click on advanced options and click on system restore. If you have recover entry key on the system, you can just enter the recovery key and then you can if the system restore is created on a system, just choose the latest date when the system was working fine and everything will be good. Also, if you have made any changes on the BIOS, so you can go to the BIOS option from here and simply restore your setting to default here. So restart. Once you see the BIOS screen here, look for the BIOS setting here. Go to the boot manager and make sure your hard drive is on the top. And if you don't know what is going on your system, just look for the option system restore that is working for you. Okay, and then just exit out from this window and issue should be fixed now. As you can see here, my issue has been fixed. Okay, so this is the video and I hope your PC did not start correctly. Issue is fixed now. If your issue is fixed, then hit like, subscribe and share. Thank you. Thanks for watching.